Illuminate the enemy. Banish the shadows. Light 'em up. Focus on the battle with superior tactics. I never think about losing. Shh! I'm charging my laser. Well, a double rainbow is a phenomenon of optics that displays a spectrum of light due to the sun shining on droplets of moisture in the atmosphere. Does that explain it? Double rainbow? What does it mean? I'll look into it. Going. I love it when a plan comes together. Lighting the way. We can do this. Stay positive. Bright decision. Light mage? I'm just an ordinary mage. Ha! Yeah! Ha! In the name of Demacia, I will punish you. With your power level, I suggest you forfeit instead. Ha!